Anyone who has ever had to prepare food knows how important a good knife is in your culinary arsenal. So today, we're going to discuss the 3 knives that are a must-have in any kitchen. The first and most important knife on this list is the chef's knife. Chef knives are available in several styles and are truly the workhorse for any cutting tasks you'll have. If you're just starting your knife collection, a good size to start with would be anywhere from 8 to 10 inches, though smaller sizes are also available. Chef knives are best for slicing, chopping, carving, dicing, and mincing. They have a curved edge for rocking and a wide blade for scooping up chopped foods. This is the primary utility knife in most homes and the most important knife you'll own. Second on the list is the paring knife. Paring knives are like the little brothers and sisters of the chef's knife. These knives are multifunctional and great for foods that require attention to detail. An ideal size for this type of knife is 3 to 4 inches. Paring knives are best used for more precise and delicate tasks, like sectioning fruit or peeling skin. But unlike the chef's knife, it's not necessary to always use a cutting board. The small size of a paring knife will give you complete control over the tip and edge of the blade, making this knife much easier to use. And third on the list is the serrated knife. The serrated knife will probably be the least used of the 3, but it's equally important. If this will be your first time purchasing a serrated knife, it's best to start out with a 10-inch blade, though smaller sizes are available. Serrated knives have a tooth-like edge, similar to a saw, and are excellent for slicing foods with different textures, like breads or sandwiches, but are also ideal for slicing through delicate cakes, tomatoes, or any fruit that's overripe. The serrated knife is not the kind of knife you'll use every day, but it is a knife you'll be glad you had if you need it. If you're going to be purchasing your knives separately, make sure to include a honing steel. Honing steels are needed to keep your knives at peak sharpness. Though it will not sharpen the blade, it simply realigns the fibers on the blade to maintain its sharpness. To see more of our quick tips and suggestions, visit us at app.com and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel.